Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter paneer masala in my style. It's so smooth and creamy. The looks of the dish are exotic and it tastes very yummy. To make butter paneer masala at home, take a look at the video. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now I'm going to add 3 medium-sized roughly chopped onions, 12 to 15 cashews, 5 to 6 roughly chopped tomatoes. Saute for 3 minutes. And now I'm going to close the lid and cook in a medium-high heat for 2 more minutes. Saute till it becomes translucent, switch off the flame and keep it for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to transfer all the mixture to a blender to make a smooth paste. Don't forget to add poppy seeds in it while grinding the mixture. And now I'm going to add all the onion and tomato mixture to the pan, adding all Indian spices like half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, one teaspoon of garam masala, 3 tablespoons of butter, finely chopped curry leaves, salt as per your taste, and give a good mix. And now I'm adding chopped or slitted green chilli. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes in a slow flame. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add roasted kasuri methi, dry fenupreek leaves, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, three tablespoons of fresh cream, now give a good mix. Now add 250 grams of paneer cubes. Mix everything well. Close the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. The cream will give a richness to the gravy. And now garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and a drizzle of cream. Serve hot with any Indian bread or rice. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you later. Stay safe, stay home and stay positive. Better days are on their way. Inshallah. Have a nice day.